Handling an account review on Discord can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate through the review efficiently. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with the reasons why Discord may initiate an account review. Common reasons include suspicious activity, violation of community guidelines, or reports from other users. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any communication from Discord in your registered email. They may have sent you instructions or information regarding the review process. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any necessary information that may be requested by Discord. This could include your account details, verification documents, or any relevant communication that can support your case. Step 4. Respond promptly. If Discord reaches out for clarification or additional information, respond as quickly as possible. Providing timely and accurate information can help expedite the review process. Step 5. Be patient. After submitting your information, wait for Discord to complete the review. This process can take some time, so be patient and avoid creating multiple tickets, as this may delay your case further. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your account review on Discord. Remember to stay calm and cooperative throughout the process.